The first step was to cut the fish to the desired sizes. And since this was a wet brine, I started with water, added 2 parts sugar and 1 part salt, and the flavorings are garlic, onion, and pepper. We submerged those fish, covered it with plastic wrap, and put it in the refrigerator overnight. So this morning, I took the fish out, patted them dry, and added a little more pepper for flavor. I let those sit for about an hour at room temperature so a pellicle will form. And that just means making them dry to the touch to kind of seal those flavors in. The only precaution you want to take when loading your smoker is to just make sure none of the pieces of fish are touching each other. If you've got a long smoke ahead of you, you want to make sure and empty the ash container. This is a great feature on this stove as it's simple to do, and wow, that is how much ash has been produced, and we've used this grill 5 or 6 times. So if you look at that, over half a bag of pellets, and this is all the waste from that. So that shows how efficiently these pellets burn and how great this unit is. Camp Chef has a lot of great pellet flavors. My favorite for fish is the classic alder. This smoker is easy to use. Power on and set to low smoke. Once the smoker has reached that magical 180-degree point, the hot smoking process begins. How long is this going to take? With all the seminars I do across the country, that is one of the most frequently asked questions. And I'm sorry to say, I don't have an exact answer. The key here is getting to know your smoker and getting to know how it performs in different weather conditions. And also it comes to taste preference. It looks like we've got a nice even heat in this smoker and all of them are smoking evenly, no hot spots, and so we don't need to change any of them around. Well, it's been a little over 4 hours. It's a nice day, so this fish smoked up pretty quickly. I think we're ready to plate. As you've seen, smoking fish is a fairly simple process. So any high-fat fish will smoke up very nicely. And some of these, as you can see, the skin is staying on. Others, the skin is a little bit stuck to the grates, but that's all right. We're going to remove that skin anyway, and we'll come back and clean this smoker up. Smoked salmon and steelhead, a family favorite with a recipe we've been using for generations.